Alright, you guys, I made it into Costco. Look right here. They have the baby wipes, do not flush, fragrance free, right here for $16.99. Ends on the 29th. It's a pretty good deal. You get 900 900 for $17. Your limit will be 3. Director's chair is $49.79. Let's just round that to $50. You have your little side table for your tablet, cup, phone, and $49.99 on the cooler, on the roller. Yeah, oversized wheels, made in the USA, so $50 right here, up to 5 days. And the backpack, $42.99. 2 ice walls in here. Good for hiking, doing a picnic. $49.99. This ends April 5th, you guys. So look, you got the round table on a discount. $20 off was $70. And your limit is 10. And 109 ends March 22nd. Your limit is 5. And look, they also have it in baby blue. I've only seen it in black and kind of like an off gray color. The Samsung with the keyboard, let's see, 380 ends on the 29th, was 500, 120 off. Your limit is 5. And it comes with the keyboard. So we were looking at this for school, and my daughter was telling me that, I don't know which one it is, but the Samsung was more than the Apple, which I couldn't believe. I don't know what tablet she's looking at for school, but I'm like, you got an Apple laptop, you don't need a tablet. I don't know. But this is 380 right now. So Costco has Allstate protection plans. Okay. Let's see, you get covered by Allstate protection plan. $89.99. Appliances under $1,000. Huh. Hefty, the shrink pack. Okay, you get 12 in here. $12.97. You get 11 bags and a hand pump. 2 jumbo, 1 travel, a water resistant, and then 4 large and 4 extra large. And $18.99 for the plug-in candle warmer. And this one, doesn't that look refreshing? It does. $22.99. Denmark drink dispenser. Sounds like a robot. Oh, he's on his little speaker. Okay, so he's selling, I'm guessing he's selling pot and pans or linen. I think it's bed linen or bed sheets right here. And they have to keep talking to themselves even if nobody's watching. Or sometimes he sounds very boring. Let's hear him.
We use a tool that allow our sheets to breathe and stretch much better than other memory sheets and make them rip resistant.
Okay, I walked past him. He's just staring down at no car. He does not look interested.
Did you remember in Batman Returns that lady who was like announcing to Penguin about how Batman was attacking the base in the most monotone voice? That's exactly who he reminded me of.
I mean, if he's like made it seem not like that, like Ferris
He had
Bueller.
one hand on his cheek. He was like holding his head up as he was talking. He was so
$10 I hear,
It was
Kohan. Hey, they have Fabletics now. Small, you get 2 in here. You know what? I think Costco finally did it. They did away with this book. I have not seen the book table. I've only been finding these books right here, like this one right here. These are $7.50, but the long book table with chapter books is actually gone. I remember everyone telling me they were going to get rid of it, and they did. We haven't seen any. Have you seen the book table? Bugglers, we've seen these. I wonder why they took it away.
Back to the Future.
Oh, that's kind of cool.
Those are neat.
$22.49.
I'm not into Legos, but that'd be fun to put together.
Would you really put it together?
I might sit in the box for like a year, and then I might eventually maybe get around to it. But
Do you want the Easter Bunny to give it to you? Gap pajamas are $17.99. Then here's the little girls. We got like pink and flowers, little night shirt, pants and bottom. Converse, 2-piece set, $21.99. Now they are a sweater and a sweat pant, but they are very thin. They're very thin. Still be really hot here because again we're in triple digits now. Really early for March. I think this summer I'm just wearing all white. I don't care. $21.99. I used to just wear all black, you guys, because most of my clothing is dark colors, like black and dark grays. But now it's just too hot. I can't do it anymore. They got me finally. The sun got me. But you could save this for next year too, for next fall. $21.99. I don't see a boy one. I only see the girl colors. Men's swim trunks in the Costco. They're $17. You have a pineapple and black and like this fun Hawaiian print. Twice baked chocolate filled croissant. $10. Almond flour, chocolate chips powder. This looks like French toast. French toast casserole. You know, you could do this. You know how they do the French toast casserole and they put it overnight? Do this. Use this instead of the bread. And then just put your regular casserole, like the wash, the milk and egg and stuff. And then, yeah, $10. The Doe Whip is back for $9.79. Everyone says it's not good, you guys. I don't know. But $9.79 here. Okay, $12.99. We have mango passion fruit kombucha organic. It's an 8-pack. If you're a fan of the kombucha, this is for you. Skinny Pop does the Harry Potter Butterbeer. Okay, so we did try the Goldfish Butterbeer. What did you think of it?
I didn't like it.
He didn't like it. I felt like it was just
Our
too
son
much
likes
for
it.
me.
But
$6.59.
It was just like a really heavy taste, right?
Yeah.
I don't care for it.
Yeah, but here they are. The Butterbeer, $9.59. Look at this. It's going to be $24.99. Umbrella and Storybook 3-piece set. So you get a Patches umbrella and a kitty one. And a storybook. That's kind of cool. You get 2 umbrellas. I kind of want a doggy one. This one is $25. We have a cherry tomato and feta, $11.99. Alright you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here in this Costco. Right here we have zinc, $6.99, ends on the 31st. And if you're looking for vitamin C, these are gonna be chewable for $11.99. There's no deals on any soap like body soap. No deals on that. The Dove is the only thing on discount for deodorant. We saw that in the last video. Thank you so much for joining me. Please stay safe. Oh, look at those pink glasses. I haven't had a chance to try on the stuff here. Oh, those purple ones look like fun too. Alright, you guys, please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.